Hi there, my name's Nat Nathan, I'm from the Piccadilly Circus company. I'm here at the juggling studios in Cornwall to answer that question, how do I spin those darn plates? Tip number 1, never hold the middle of the stick, always hold the bottom of the stick. Tip number 2, imagine you're the Queen in her carriage making small waving circles. When you make small circles at the bottom of the stick, it will translate into much bigger circles at the top of the stick, and the angle means that the outside of the stick will rotate the plate thanks to this ridge that runs round the outside of here. Make small circles. When you stop making circles, the plate will slide into the middle and spin exactly where it needs to. You should be spinning plates by now. Enjoy. See you again very soon. Bye now.